One of these trays is worth 10 times more. Guess which?
What if I told you this peanut traveled through 12 machines?
At this exact temperature, magic happens to every single peanut.
One contaminated batch could shut down this entire line. Here's how they stop it.
Inside this machine, peanuts face their biggest transformation challenge.
See that reject? The system catches 1 in every 1,000. This is where every planter's peanut begins its factory journey. All right, bring it in slow. All right, bring it in slow. Watch your side. Hold it. Okay, you're clear. Morning. Got your paperwork? Right here. Thanks. You're clear to proceed. I have the bills of lading here. All right, let me confirm the PO. Everything checks out. Just need your signature on this tablet.
The sample is secured.
Quality check confirmed. Looks good.
This pallet is ready for transport.
The flow rate on the right is slowing down again. I'm opening the valve further.
3,000 gallons of water per hour keeps contamination at 0.
I've increased the pressure on the second rinse.
The clarity looks good now. Maintain this setting.
How do you dry 50 tons without damaging a single shell?
Each defect gets caught in milliseconds. No second chances here.
Why does size matter so much for perfect roasting?
We need to lower the false reject rate immediately.
Adjusting the threshold now. Let's see if that stabilizes it.
The level of foreign material and cracking in this batch is unacceptable. We need to recalibrate the sorter immediately.
Only the top 15% makes it past this station.
Quality check confirms consistency on this batch.
Noted. Maintain current parameters for the next run.
At exactly 160 Celsius, the Maillard reaction creates that perfect roasted flavor.
Airflow stabilized at 0.5. Temperature is holding steady at the target range.
Cool them too fast and they crack, too slow and they overcook, so what's the secret?
Perfect salt distribution is exactly 0.8% by weight. No more, no less.
Every container gets exactly the same amount. Precision matters when you're filling millions daily.
How do they guarantee freshness for 6 months without preservatives?
I think here's how the break it between the years. We will go. We have to know.
From raw groundnut to sealed case takes exactly 4 hours in this facility.
All right, pull straight out. Watch your clearance on the right. Keep coming back. All right, lift it up. That's good. Now bring it forward slowly. Watch the clearance on your right. Okay, bring it up, a little higher, tilt down slowly. All right, easy in and stop.
This warehouse holds 3 million containers at perfect temperature until shipping day. From factory floor to grocery store shelf, how fast can this journey happen?
Heads up, coming through. Stack them high on the left. Make sure it's secure before you wrap it. Here is the manifest. Everything seems in order. So, looks good. Appreciate it.
Every truck carries exactly 12,000 containers to distribution centers nationwide.